In this video series, I work through a math problem each video. When solving a linear equation for x, we often encounter expressions where x is multiplied by a number, then added to another number on one side of the equation. An example would be 5x plus 3. When we solve such an equation for x, we need to find a way to get rid of these two numbers. In this problem, we're asked to find the steps we should take to get x by itself for each given expression. The first expression is x plus 3. To get x by itself, we want to get rid of the 3. We could add the additive inverse of 3, which is minus 3. Since addition is associative and commutative, we can carry out this addition in any order we want. So we can add the 3 and minus 3 first. Since they are additive inverses of each other, we get 0. And 0 added to any number is the other number, so we get x. Next, we have x minus 9. We can first rewrite this expression as x plus minus 9. To get x by itself in this expression, we can add the additive inverse of minus 9, which is 9. 9 plus minus 9 is 0, so we get x plus 0, which gives us x. Next, we have the expression 2x. When we have a number written to a variable like this, there is an understood multiplication symbol that we can add back in. When we do, we get the expression 2 multiplied by x. To get x by itself, we need to get rid of the 2. And to do that, we can multiply this expression by the reciprocal of 2, which is the multiplicative inverse. And once again, multiplication is associative and commutative, so we can multiply any of the two numbers first. So we can multiply 2 and 1/2 together first, which gives us 1. And 1 multiplied by any number is the other number, so we get x. Next, we have 1/4 x. Once again, this means 1/4 multiplied by x. And the reciprocal of 1/4 is 4, so we can go ahead and multiply this by 4. Then we can carry out the multiplication of 1/4 and 4 first, which gives us 1 multiplied by x is equal to x. Next, we have minus 7/4 x. We can once again add the understood multiplication sign back in, which gives us minus 7/4 multiplied by x. We can multiply this expression by the reciprocal of minus 7/4, which is minus 4/7. Then the multiplication of the two fractions give us 1, and 1 times x is equal to x. Next, we have two numbers in the expression, 3x plus 8. So let's go ahead and try to get rid of 8 first, since when we carry out this calculation, we would multiply x by 3 first, then add 8. So we need to undo this in order. So to get rid of the 8, we'll add the additive inverse of 8 to the expression. So we start with 3x plus 8 and add the additive inverse, which is minus 8. Then 8 and minus 8 will cancel each other out to give 0. And 3x plus 0 is equal to 3x. We can write this as 3 multiplied by x Then multiply the reciprocal of 3, which is 1/3, to the expression. Then 3 multiplied by 1/3 is equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by x is equal to x. Finally, we have minus 2x minus 1.5. We can rewrite this as minus 2x plus minus 1.5. Then the additive inverse of minus 1.5 is 1.5. So if we add 1.5 to the expression, we get minus 2x. Then minus 2x is minus 2 multiplied by x. And we can multiply this by the reciprocal of minus 2, which is minus 1/2. And when we do, minus 1/2 times minus 2 is equal to 1. And 1 times x is equal to x.